Okay, I have my Hobby King King Air, King Twin out. I have put a new nose gear on it. So this is the Freewing Me-262 nose gear. Uh, Wheel size, length, everything looks great. I mean, it feels, still a little bit of play, but there was in the 262 as well, but it flew just fine. So anyway, I'm about to give it its first taxi and takeoff test, and oh, I may have to straighten up that nose a little bit, but hopefully this thing is going to be going to track straight now.
0 miles per hour.
Yeah, I think I need to turn a little bit to the left.
2 miles per hour.
Okay, camera's not cooperating real well. It keeps cutting off. Let's do a taxi test.
Engine on.
Okay. Oh. Okay, this is no differential thrust. Hey, he's tracking pretty straight. Hey, no squirreliness. Hey, look at that. I think I got a winner here. Okay, let's go down and shit, which way is the wind coming from? Oh, so let me take off to the left. Yeah, wind's behind me and a little bit to the left, so let's
Flaps half.
have flaps. Okay, here we go.
2 minutes.
Oh yeah,
Flaps up.
got to keep her with that nose gear. It's the Me-262 gear. Freewing.
8.
Okay, stupid camera. I just made a fantastic landing, and the video wasn't working, so we're gonna try for another fantastic landing.
2 miles per hour. 3.8.
Tell you, I'm liking that Me-262 nose gear.